Hey guys! In today's video, we're diving into the Seed's airdrop bot and how you can earn rewards through the Seed Combinator platform. Seed Combinator is a decentralized social ecosystem designed to make it easy for users to participate in blockchain gaming, NFTs, and Web3 projects. You can access everything directly from a Telegram bot, simple and convenient. But before we get started, I've got a giveaway for you. You don't need to do much to participate. Watch this full video. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below telling me why you want dollars. Once this video gets 300 likes, I'll be giving $60 to one random lucky winner. So, hit that like button and comment for your chance to win. Now, let's get into the video. What is Seed Combinator? Seed Combinator blew up in 2024 thanks to its decentralized model and unique blockchain management system. One of the coolest features is their airdrop campaign where you can earn seed tokens simply by completing tasks and engaging with the platform. Depending on market demand, these tokens could later be traded, sold, or swapped for other cryptos. So, how do you get started? Seed Combinator operates through Telegram. You can connect with their bot and gain access to multiple tasks, games, and challenges that will help you earn seed tokens. The more tasks you complete, the more seed tokens you accumulate, which can then be used in the seed marketplace or exchanged for other cryptocurrencies. How does it work? Join the Telegram bot. Start by interacting with the Seed Telegram bot. Just type /start and you're ready to begin your journey. You'll get your first seed as soon as you activate the bot and pass the Telegram age check. Complete tasks. The airdrop is tied to completing specific tasks, earning up to 1.5 seed per task. Tasks range from following social media accounts, joining channels, playing Web3 games like Ton Combat, and subscribing to YouTube channels. Stay active and keep checking the missions section for new tasks. Invite friends. You can increase your seed earnings by inviting friends. Send them your referral link, and for every friend that joins, you get 20% cash back on the seed they earn. If they're a premium user, you'll get double that. Join seed guilds. Want to earn even more? Join or create a guild. Working as a team in Seed Combinator lets you tackle challenges together and earn additional rewards. Boost mining speed. You can speed up your seed earnings with boost items. Storage. Increase how long you can mine before claiming seed. Tree. Boosts the rate of your seed mining. Holy water. Increases the speed at which you plant seeds. Minigames. Earn extra rewards by playing fun games like Spinner Game or through daily streaks. More games are coming soon, like Battle Seed, set to launch in September 2024. How to withdraw seed tokens. Withdrawing seed tokens is simple. Connect your Toin wallet. You can link wallets like Tonkeeper or MyTon wallet through the app. Minimum withdrawal limit. Make sure you have enough seed tokens to meet the withdrawal threshold. Exchange options. After meeting the limit, you can exchange seed tokens for other cryptos or use them in the seed marketplace. Is Seed Combinator legit? Seed Combinator has gained a lot of attention for its transparency and active community. It's part of the Seed DAO ecosystem, which gives it credibility in the blockchain space. But as always, make sure you do your own research, and stay updated via their official Telegram and Twitter accounts to avoid any potential scams. Key dates and roadmap. Airdrop campaigns. Currently underway with early bird opportunities. Seed token launch expected in late 2024, with more details coming soon. Marketplace expansion. The platform will soon offer even more items for trading. Guild improvements and minigames. Future updates will bring more ways to earn through guilds and minigames. Frequently asked questions. What is Seed Combinator? Seed Combinator is a decentralized ecosystem where users can earn seed tokens by completing tasks, playing games, and inviting friends. How do I earn seed tokens? You can earn seed by interacting with the Seed Telegram bot, completing tasks, and joining guilds. How do I withdraw seed tokens? Once you accumulate enough tokens, you can withdraw them via the app and a compatible crypto wallet. When will seed be listed on exchanges? There's no confirmed listing date yet, but rumors suggest a late 2024 launch on decentralized exchanges. Seed Combinator is a great way for anyone, whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned veteran, to get involved with blockchain projects and NFTs. It's simple, fun, and offers lots of opportunities to earn rewards. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your thoughts on the Seeds airdrop. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.